Hello dear students, today we are going to deal with the graphical part of chemical kinetics which has been asked many times in JEE Main as well as in JEE Advanced. So let us start. What we are doing is the graphical comparison of zero and first order. Mainly these two are asked in the exam. जो पहला ग्राफ हम बना रहे हैं that is concentration of the reactant left versus T for a zero and first order. We already know that the concentration of reactant left at any time T in case of a zero order reaction, this is A naught initial concentration minus KT. So this is a straight line graph. In case of a first order reaction, the concentration decreases exponentially with time. AT, that is the concentration of A left at any time T, A naught e raised to power minus KT. So this is exponentially decreasing. Here the concentration versus time is a straight line. First order में अगर आप straight line graph बनाना चाहते हैं, so that will be log of the concentration of A left versus T. This would be a straight line in case of a first order. So this was the first graph. Remember it, straight line कहाँ पर आता है, 0 में, कहाँ पर आता है 1 में. Now this is the T half versus concentration. Zero order में the T half, we already know this is equal to initial concentration of A. What is the concentration? Initial concentration divided by 2K. Whereas in case of a first order, T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. ln 2 by K. This is a constant in case of a first order. Now, let me tell you one thing, that the graph I have drawn is for T half versus concentration. You can draw it for T of any fraction. Let it be T 1 by 4, T 25%, T 3 by 4. आप किसी भी particular fraction के लिए बनाइए. The shape of the graph would be the same. That means आप यहाँ पर T1 by 2 की जगह कोई भी fraction लिख लीजिए versus concentration, it would be like this only. In case of a zero order, T of any fraction versus concentration, this would be a straight line passing through origin. So next graph, this is the rate versus concentration. In case of a zero order, we already know rate does not depend on the concentration, rate is a constant. In case of a first order reaction, as it is first order, rate is equal to K into the concentration. डायरेक्ट प्रपोर्शन है कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ में, सो इट विल बी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. हैप्पी लर्निंग.